To set up Google Assistant on Pixel 9a, first of all, you will have to start by opening Google Play Store, go to the search, and you have to update the Google application to the latest version. I'm talking about this application. So just be sure that you are using the latest version of this application, but also you will have to download Google Assistant. So as you know, currently it's replaced with the Gemini. So if you want to use Google Assistant, you will have to input that phrase and download Google Assistant by clicking here. And it's not finished. Now you will have to open Google application on your Pixel 9a. Click on the right upper corner. Let's do this one more time. Well, that's some kind of the weird bug. So let's try to do this one more time. There we go. Go to the settings. Now you have to go for a Google Assistant, should be available here. And you will have to scroll for the option called Digital Assistants from Google. And you have to switch from the Gemini into the Google Assistant. But also, when you are here, just go to the general settings and be sure that you turn on Google Assistant by using that switcher. And now, if you want to access into the Google Assistant, you can simply click on this icon. And as you can see, we have to also download some additional stuff. So click here, but also you can set shortcut into your power key. So if I'm gonna click and hold it, it will pop up with a Google Assistant. For sure, the download is in the progress, so I have to wait just a little bit. And now let's take a look if it works. There we go. As you can see right now, the Google Assistant pop up, and we can also unlock more Google Assistant features by clicking to get started and accept some features. We can also enable Hey Google if you want.